Okay, dear performance management student, let's discuss a question on CVP analysis. And we have taken, as usual, this question from Study Hub. So let's dive into this question. What is the planned activity level in units for the next month? They simply wanted to know what is the budgeted sales units for the next month. Okay. A company manufactures one product which it sells for $40 per unit. The product has a CS ratio of 40, which means that if the selling price is $40 and the CS ratio is 40%, which means the contribution per unit is 16. Okay. Monthly fixed cost is 60,000. So fixed cost divided by contribution per unit will give us break-even units. At the plan level of activity for the next month, the company has a margin of safety. And they have given us margin of safety 64,000. They have given us in dollars. No issue at all. Express in terms of sales value. Okay, fine. First of all, if I calculate break-even units, how will I calculate 60,000? Is the fixed cost divided by 16. So break-even units, we are getting 3750. Students, break-even units, we are having 3750. These are the break-even units. Okay. Now, we just need to find, and we have been given a margin of safety, but this time they have given us a margin of safety in terms of amount. No issue at all. 64,000 is the margin of safety if I divide this by a selling price in order to get the units. So logically, margin of safety units are 1600. 64,000, actually margin of safety is a difference of two things. You can say budgeted revenue minus break-even revenue. So the next month margin of safety examiner has given us, but examiner has given us margin of safety in dollars. So margin of safety divided by the selling price gives us margin of safety units. So we know the break-even units we have calculated, margin of safety units we have calculated. So simply you will add both of them. That will give us the next month plan activity. So next month plan activity is 3750 break-even plus the margin of safety 1600. 3750 plus 1600. Students, I am getting 5350. Simply what we did, we took the fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. We calculated break-even units. After that, examiner has given us a margin of safety in dollars. Divided by the selling price, we found margin of safety units. So the plan activity level minus break-even, difference is margin of safety. So what we did, we simply added margin of safety to the break-even to find out plan activity level. So the answer is Charlie. What study people have done it, they have done the more or less the same thing. They have done the more or less the same thing. You can see that. Yes. So we are having the same answer. We and Study Hub can see eye to eye. So we are on the same page. I hope you are also with me on the same page. Thank you very much for watching this concept building MCQs. Thank you.